Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Pasta Lionfield using an easy method. We'll start by combining just a few basic ingredients to create a perfect dough. This simple approach ensures a delicious result without any fuss. Resting the dough is a crucial step for achieving that ideal texture, making it easier to work with later. Get ready to enjoy delicious homemade pasta. Once your dough is perfectly rested, it's time to roll it out. Aim for a thin sheet, about 1/16 of an inch, to get that authentic pasta texture. Then you can cut it into your favorite shapes, whether it's classic tagliatelle or wider fettuccine. A light dusting of semolina flour will keep your beautiful pasta from sticking, ensuring each strand cooks perfectly. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying learning how to make delicious pasta, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: why not bring your kitchen to life with an Echo Dot smart speaker? It's perfect for playing music while you cook or setting timers for your pasta. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the best part, cooking your fresh pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Your homemade pasta will cook quickly, usually in just 2 to 3 minutes until it's perfectly al dente. Remember to reserve a little pasta water before draining. This starchy water is fantastic for emulsifying your sauce, creating a rich, cohesive dish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.